A drama that tells the story of strong bond between the members of a family even though they are not blood related. This drama also portrays the hope of parents toward their children's success and how difficult for fresh university graduates to get respectable and well-paid jobs. Lee Jin Yi plays a reliable young man who brims with confidence. Meanwhile, Kyung Soo Jin plays a young woman with a bright personality.